everybody? It's your boy Eon. You already know me, and this is Forever Slow Stroking the podcast, episode 53. Dang, son, episode 53. Coming in hot. Son, but I know you probably like, dang, why is, for those on YouTube, like, why is this man Eon, you know what I'm saying, wearing his casual clothes? Well, because I'm recording this during the week, and I'm actually going to be out for travel, right? You know, we got trading places, Miami. Well, not Miami. Dang, my bad. Trading places, Houston. Miami was the other event, but we're doing trading places, Houston, and that's on the 26th. So I'll be out of town for that too. But I definitely wanted to get this episode up because I feel like there's some important things that happen in the market, right? So before we get started, understand I am not a financial advisor, so everything I say on these episodes are for educational, entertainment purposes only. But I do have gems for y'all, right? You already know me. Alright, son. And also, if you're enjoying the content, please support the channel by clicking that like button followed by the subscribe button. And then go ahead and utilize the links in the description to get, you know what I'm saying, $25 in Bitcoin when you sign up to Voyager using my link. You get 4 free shares on Robinhood, 4 free shares on Webull, and $25 when you sign up on crypto.com. I gotta say, Voyager is becoming much more valid by the day, son. I am truly surprised and proud of how far Voyager has come. It's actually pretty tough, son, so go check out Voyager. Next, after that, I think we should just go ahead and get right into it, son. Son, so first, today is actually Wednesday. So we just had the Fed meeting, right? And you know, you had Powell talking, and they've decided not to change interest rates. Nothing really changed, you know. Just in a nutshell, nothing really changed. However, I do want to let you know this, son. You gotta be careful because this is what I don't like. This is actually one of my hidden gems, but I do not like the fact that people are ignoring inflation. Like, this man just said that they plan to increase the rate of inflation next year more than what it previously was. It was like 2 something, now it's going to be like 3 something percent, you know, of an increase in inflation. So please understand that, right? And don't take it for granted. Take heed to what I'm saying. Like, just because you know they're not raising it now, or you know things are okay now, doesn't mean that you can't prepare for the future, especially if somebody's telling you, hey, look, we're going to do this later on, so just beware. That's all I'm saying. Beware and plan accordingly, right? Make sure you hedge your positions. Make sure you get into positions that are in support of you know, inflation and things like that, right? Also, I want to tell you about this, the quad witching. Quad witching is happening this week. So if you're trading options on the stock side, please, son, please be careful because I do not want you to get caught up and fumble the bag. So what quad witching is, this is where a lot of futures and all types of contracts expire simultaneously, right? So all these contracts have the same expiration date, and that's this Friday. It only happens a few times a year, but no, this is, you know, one of those times where we experience that, right? I think it happens 4 times a year, or maybe something like that. I don't know, but it's happening now, right, son? So the reason it's bad is because there's typically a lot of volatility in the market during that time. Well, in contracts during that time, sometimes high volatility can, you know, completely wipe out your contract, or sometimes it can really give you a good profit if there's you know, a right level of liquidity and everything like that. It may give you some good profits. I ain't gonna hold you, but you always want to eliminate risk as much as possible by taking certain precautions. And I just want to let y'all know to be careful with that, right, son? Now, in terms of something I peeped earlier this week. So Biden, he spoke earlier this week, right? I think it was Monday, and he talked a lot about defense and cyber. So I've been truly watching CrowdStrike, and I'm like, son, let's get money. And I made some money off of CrowdStrike. I did, and I think there's more money to be made, especially after the market pulled back today, awaiting the Fed's speech, and then it kind of went bullish again. So, son, CrowdStrike is very important. Pay attention to the news. When they're talking about cybersecurity, you want to look at those cybersecurity companies. When they're talking about defense, you want to look at these defense contractors such as Northrop Grumman, Lockheed Martin. What else? Raytheon. You want to look at even Boeing. You want to look at, son. So please do not ignore the fact that there's money to be made out here, right? And do not ignore the news. Pay attention to the news because you want your fundamentals to align with your technicals, right? You want to have a good balance between the two so that you could always be in profit and that you could always be taking trades that are less risky. You want to take trades that have the least amount of risk, and that's how you stay profitable, honestly, as long as you get out at the right time. So that's definitely one that I wanted to mention to you all. And me personally, I do think crowd is cool. I've been playing it from 227 to 230, and then 230 to 235. So I've been playing crowd a bit, and I mean, yeah, son, you could make some money off of that. And I love how the contracts trade as well. The contracts are valid. I ain't gonna hold you, son, but that's for a deeper conversation. So next, like always, don't forget to check out Jermaine's hustle class. The joint is valid, son. Then just before we get into the progress of the for the week so far, because it's only Wednesday, I want to tell y'all about Houston. Catch me in Houston. We traded places in Houston, son. We're going to teach. We're gonna what is it called? Network. We're gonna do a whole bunch. We're gonna make some moves and doing some cash prize moves and all that stuff. So I'm really looking forward to it. Also, you can attend this event virtually. Just let me know. And when you purchase your ticket on Eventbrite, somebody will reach out to you via email. Number one, they will give you the address, and number two, they will ask you if you want to attend virtually. If you want to attend virtually, just say yes, and they will send you a virtual link for the event. All right, so outside of that, let's go ahead and get into the progress so far. We have for 6/18/2021, 80% loss on Workhorse, 63% loss on PFMT, 5% profit ENPH, pretty much break even on CBAT, 40% loss Jameer, 23% profit Wish, 30% profit DS, 10% profit PLTR, 100% profit SOS, 3% profit EMPH, 80% loss on AMC, that sucks, and 300% profit on Crowd, 80% profit on SOS, and I have some other positions that are still rolling and they look pretty good, so we're going to see how this joint works, but like I always say, have a blessed, productive, and prosperous time, and I'm going to catch y'all. Oof.